Now, when you connect the your charger to the power source, the charger, when you connect it, you will have to see a red light here. Now let me unbox the battery. The lithium battery is charging. Cordless pressure. Now when it's full, you will see the light here will change. This is what you will get. This is the package that you get. That means your battery is full. If you so you can decharge it. If you order for it, can you imagine? It's full of functions. Let me now show you the items are here. That is that for the battery they are used for, and I will show you also. Now we have to set everything. I've told you about the so gun. That now let me show you all anytime you just order for it and you get it. This to set everything and start washing your car. This is the holding part. This is where you hold it. Now you hold it like let me show you the. Then when you want to shoot your gun, you put the pipe in, pull the pressure out. This pipe, water pressure out. Then you comes with here. When you press this, the water. This filter. This water filter. Now you may see it here. It may be detached. It may be attached. This is. But if you see it detached, like let me just detach all soap tank, where you put your soap and some water, so that I can show you. Not solid, liquid soap with some water. You can. If you see it detached, see I'm holding this one. Don't just it's plastic, but it's very duty is to attach it. But I don't want to everything. I want to open everything so that just you will know firmly from and start to finish how you handle like this, your G-match cordless, clockwise and anti-clockwise. See what is happening there. See how the plate is closing out. Can you see the plate? The plate is closing. Now, yes. Let me start from the gun. Yes. Can you see it? This is the gun now. Now, when it's closed like this, the water will not come out. You may have been seeing some online. I mean, if you just press your gun, it will come out because you have already closed this. This is where the battery is using the battery connector, and where you connect this nozzle is coming. Where you shoot your gun. Imagine shoot your gun. You're having two nozzles, so you can use on this battery you have times 2. If you now open other gun, you see get a little water. This is 696 how you pray the pressure you want. If you open like this, the pressure this is a lithium battery, a complete lithium battery, and it can serve you. This can serve you for more than 45 minutes while you're using it. Will be so when you want to set this into it, if you now open it, set it like this. Can you see? This is the pressure side. Spread. You just put it. The pressure will not be. It has a one way of inserting into the middle. So you just when you just put it and you drag it, highly powerful. Can you see? Because you have opened it, just said this. Now this is the charger. The charger, you will connect the charger directly. The pressure will show you. When you want to remove it, you press this one down. Very powerful. In fact, the pressure is more than here. That's how you remove it. The charger, you connect it directly here. So if you want to watch this, where you connect the charger, stain from when you connect it, a soft socket or your power source. When you connect it to your power source, you will discover that want to watch. You know, the first time you're using it, you have to charge your battery before you use it. So when you connect it to your power source, when you are using this, you discover that it and you have on the light, reduce the light. I mean, you increase the pressure by closing it a little bit. Please don't put it directly in front, or you spray it on your on any glass. Is either your car glass. It will. Imagine if you even put it on the back glass. You know, most of the car has they don't have double screen at the back. The glass will break. I'm telling you, that's the power of this nozzle. The glass will break. So don't come and complain to me. Don't come and complain to me that the nozzle break your glass. No, it's the pressure that you put on this, in the pressure of this nozzle that you apply on the glass, so it can break the glass automatically. So that's my baby. Now, these are the two nozzles, powerful nozzles you will use. Now, this is I call this the water filter. The water filter, you connect it directly like this. Connect it directly like this. Can you see? Let me show you one thing. When you close this gap a little to get high pressure, super hyper pressure, because I call this super hyper nozzle. This hyper nozzle, and this is super hyper nozzle. When you're using this super hyper nozzle and you close a little bit to get more pressure on any surface you want to clean, maybe a thick dirty surface, please do not put this and test it on your windscreen. If I have to use that to qualify this, you have to understand that it's very effective and the pressure will be much. So please don't use it on your car windscreen when you're using this, or you can use this, any of it, on your car windscreen. It will not affect it. So you just put your water filter, just plug it like this. After plugging it like this, you have this. Before you put that, remember this. This is the one that you use to hold your hose onto the gun. So firstly, you have to put this. You have to remove this. You have to remove this side. Then you insert this. Before you insert it, put this so that that place will be closed. Okay, can you see? Okay, then you screw this. So can you see? It's something you can do all by yourself. This, you just need to hold this very well firmly on your hand, and you push it in. Yeah, can you see? Can you hear the sound? That means that's key. Can you see? That's key automatically. So you set this. How you will use this, I will show you, because you have to go outside to test this thing. I'll go outside, I'll test it, you will see it, you see how you use it and how we use it on the car. You'll see it later on our next video, but I'm just showing you how you set it here. Now, this is how you set this. This is where you put it. After you put that one there, let me do this. When you want to put it, it's just on one way. You can't put it inside like this, it won't work. Just put it like this, then drag it inside. Can you hear the sound? That means that key. That's key. If you want to remove it, you press this down, press this place down, then yeah, that's removed. Let me set it back. Okay, now you have this. Now let me now show you how you connect your small soap tank into your gun. Now when you put this is the holder. This is this tank holder. This is it. This has to be there because this is the one that will get the water or the soap that will pass through this place. The soap will pass through this space down to the nozzle, and it will be pushed out. So let's say you just put it like this. Can you see? Here you have 2 edge, and here you have 2 open edge and 2 circle. At that edge, you just put this, then you allow it to enter, then you close it, turn it. Can you see? You turn it. There. That's it. That's how you do it. It's very easy. Then turn it back to remove it. Turn it, then it will come out of here. Can you see? Yeah, that's locked. So now you want to put it on your gun. The way I told you about the nozzle, can you see this edge?